Hello?
Yep.
Okay, hi. Oh my gosh. Wait, what am I doing? Okay. This is a tutorial on how to open a box. So you better be listening. So today I made my first Louis Vuitton purchase. I should say my first and only because, geez, this is a lot of money. But this what it looks like. So they give you a nice big bag because, you know, when you buy something that's expensive, you gotta make sure everybody knows when you leave the mall. And apparently my mom said you're supposed to frame this because, well, like what else are you supposed to do with the bag? This is the box and it's bigger than my head. And I also have this. They even give you a little thing for your receipt because they want to remind you that, you know, once it's done, it's done. So, can I return this? Anyway, so this is how the box, looks like. It's very heavy. So now we're gonna open it. So, wait, do I have to open it? I might have to put this in the fridge because I don't want the chocolate in it to melt. So, brownie! And then we're going to pray because we're going to thank God for me being able to deprive myself of meals for a whole week just to buy this. Open this up. And, oh my gosh! Guess what? It says Louis Vuitton on it again! Now we're just going to open. And I'm actually freaking out right now. Oh my god. Oh, okay, so you open up this flap and there's your gift. My gift to myself. It smells like a new boyfriend. So, we're just gonna open this. Going up like this. Ooh, look at that lining inside. It's red with black stripes. It has a nice little zipper on the side. Could, you know, fit pretty good stuff in there. And this one is not the classic design, it's the checkers. Well, also I forgot to mention inside it comes with this little clutch that you could also use and detach if you want to, you know, for other occasions if this is way too big. I actually got the large, as you can see, because I figured I bring my house with me everywhere I go, basically. Like snacks, like, you know, like a bag of like Smart Food popcorn, that you can't go anywhere without that. This is what led to my decision to get a large because of food. And then also my favorite part of the bag has to be this part. I got to customize it. It says my initials on it, VAB. Yeah, and I chose that color specifically because I felt that the other color choices were a little bit overbearing. Like, I don't really want it to stand out, like, in your face type thing. I feel like it'll take away from the whole design of the bag, the whole simplicity of the bag itself. So, yeah, and then also, you know how the Neverfulls are. They always have this part on the sides if you want to make it a little bit smaller and change its shapes. So then it's like, you know, two different bags basically. So when you don't want it to look too bulky, you just shorten it up like that. So yeah, and this is how it looks. Well, this is when it's like smaller, right? And then, but yeah, this is how it looks like this. So this is the bigger version, but I think everything's better when it's bigger. Just, oh no, my dog's about to eat food. Gotta go. Okay, I forgot to mention one other function of the bag is you can put your dog in it. You're such a pain, but I love you. Bye.